Hello guys. Today I will show you how to get PLS donate sounds on PLS donate. So be sure to like and subscribe if you like sound. So only uncopylocked for needed for sounds effect. Let's get started. First open Chrome or Safari. First search Roblox Studio website. First click this. First go there and click the Creator Hub. And click Store. So the sounds for audio. Click the audio. Click this. First click the search by creator for my user. You can pause the video for the user smiley face. There you go, now I have my sounds pulse donate sounds. And you go try it. So what do you think guys? But sorry guys, because of donations level sounds it doesn't sale. So there's no music in here, so you can have for Discord to find the music pulls donate. So be sure like and subscribe. Bye y'all.